Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you what to do if your laptop is stuck frozen. In such case, first we'll have to detect whether the laptop is frozen fully or partially. So let's pretend that this application is causing the device to freeze. In such case, press Ctrl, Alt and Delete at the same time. Then if you see a screen like this, then probably your laptop is only frozen partially. In such case, you have to select Task Manager, wait until it boots up, then find the application that is causing your device to freeze, right click on it and select End Task. This way it will close the problematic application and your laptop will start working normally again. But if it didn't happen and if you weren't able to do this, then in such case you'll have to unfreeze your device by force restarting it. And to do this, simply press and hold the power button for a while and take a look at the power indicator on the right edge of your device and wait until it stops glowing. And once it stops, you have to turn your device back on by pressing the power button once again. And if you weren't able to turn off your device by holding the power button, the only solution for you would be to unplug the charging cable from your device and just wait until it discharges and turns off automatically. And that's it for this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.